Say hello to the MG Aster, the new compact SUV in town and MG Motor India's most affordable offering yet. It looks sharp, premium and is a head-turner. It also promises all things tech, right from a customized AI personal assistant to the segment-first Level 2 ADAS with blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross-traffic alert and lots more. It's also the first offering from MG to run the car as a platform software that brings a host of services. MG has partnered with Reliance Jio for in-car entertainment, Park Plus for in-car parking reservations, Map My India for navigation, and Coin Earth for the vehicle digital passport. And let's not forget, there's the choice of naturally aspirated and turbocharged petrol engines that pack a punch. So all that's left to tell you now are the prices. And we finally have our hands on them. The MG Aster starts from a highly aggressive 9,78,000 rupees for the VTI Tech manual trim, going up to 16,78,000 rupees for the range-topping 220 turbo automatic. All prices are ex-showroom. The compact SUV is offered in 4 variants: Style, Super, Smart and Sharp, and a total of 9 trims. Do note, the Level 2 ADAS features are available only as an option on the top-of-the-line VTI Tech Sharp CVT and the 220 Turbo Sharp automatic variants. Prices for the variants with ADAS are yet to be announced. Customers get up to 7 trim options on the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated motor. It comes with a 6-speed manual and an 8-step CVT. The 1.4-litre turbocharged engine, meanwhile, is offered only in the Smart and Sharp variants with a DCT unit. But that's not all. Customers get different after-sales service and ownership packages to choose from. The MG Shield package gets over 180 personalization options for customers to pick and choose as per their requirements. Customers also get the 333 package that includes the standard 3-year warranty for unlimited kilometers, roadside assistance and 3 labor-free services. You can also purchase an extended warranty of up to 5 years in the first year of ownership. There are annual maintenance packages as well from 16,500 rupees onwards for a period of 3 years and 30,000 kilometers and can be extended up to 5 years and 50,000 kilometers. MG promises a low maintenance cost starting from 47 paise per kilometer on the Aster. MG Motor India has exceeded expectations with an aggressive starting price for the Aster that undercuts most of its rivals. To give you perspective, the more comparable Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Tiguan are priced from 10,50,000 rupees respectively. The Hyundai Creta petrol range starts from 10,16,000 rupees, whereas the Kia Seltos is priced from 9,95,000 rupees. The MG Aster also undercuts the Renault Duster that is priced at 9,86,000 rupees onwards, and it is the third most affordable option in the segment after the Maruti Suzuki S-Cross and the Nissan Kicks. Bookings for the new MG Aster will begin from the 21st of October 2021. You can book the vehicle by visiting a local MG dealership or online. Meanwhile, reservations for the car begin from today onwards. MG has also clarified that it aims to deliver the first batch of 5,000 cars by December 2021, given the semiconductor shortage worldwide. It aims to do better next year with deliveries. So what do you think about the pricing on the new MG Aster? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and spread the word.